ndeke. Komiti mar od bura mamalo kod mano mar Senate ogoyo kogno kendo piedho Japhet Koome manyochane jatend piny Kenya William Ruto walo e lemo mar ogai mar obila bang' Hilary Mutyambai ne dhi e rutaya. Komiti no keto Koome orindi liet ka gidwaro mondo oler chilo moko mane omiene kinde mane en komanda mar obila. Walter Nyambaga miyo waler mar wach.
E kinde romo mokelo kanyakla kamiti mar arita kwe kod chenro mag piny owacho mar od bura mamalo kanyakla kod mano mar Senate.
Japhet Koome Nchebere, do swear that
Kotele kod jokombe mag kamiti go William Cheptumo mar Senate e kod Gabriel Togoyo mar od bura mamalo maduto ne oketo Japhet Koome kod penjo moridore ka gidwaro mondo oler chilo mamiene mag tiyo marach kod apisi e kinde mane en komanda mar obila Nairobi.
Nominee, you were the commander for Nairobi at the time of the incidents as mentioned here. To what extent do you accept responsibility by dint of that office?
some officers from some other units, not under the command of Japhet, got into the university. The matter was investigated by IPOA, and there is another officer who was found culpable from some other unit, and was punished. So this matter was dealt with and dispensed with.
E kamobila maneti e bwapisi maren ne ocho donjore mbalare ma Nairobi mocho kelo hinyruok ne jopuonjre bende kamitino ne dwaro ng'eyo ka dieri ne ong'eyo apisas mag obila mane otiyo koteko mathoth kuom jopiny e yiero 2017.
As Nairobi Regional Commander, you are adversely mentioned in an affidavit by the Kenya Human Rights Commission that through omission or commission, under your watch, Kenyans' rights were grossly violated during the post-election violence in 2017.
Do you think there's more that you can do to inculcate personal integrity in police officers?
I was not found culpable, honestly, Chair. Those are the issues contained here. It said again, I did not cooperate with IPOA.
Kamitino beneno bola pile wan Koome masani en jatend tiegruok e katiegruok ma Kiganjo e kage soke mondo lera dierim mar mit bile ma wachore ni kaure kinde makepo mag obila. Koome e korka korem to oyango ni mibadhi nitiere mak mana ni ok gitiego bila mar kawasoya to gitiego gi mar kedo gi mibadhi.
Institution is considered to be almost the most corrupt in the country. In police stations, during arrest, investigation, traffic police, the menace of corruption is so widespread that I believe Kenya's trust must be restored.
About the wash-wash, he was asking if you are aware about the wash-wash, but you told the committee that you will deal with it, but you did not explain to many members who are not clear on what wash-wash is all about.
Corruption during recruitment. Chairman, I started by saying I would not be on the defensive at all. It's owning the problem. Is the truth. There's corruption in recruitment. So anybody going out of that arrangement, what is provided by the law, then again, the Constitution is very clear. You faced trial.
Otobe de maliet ne Japhet Koome dwaro ng'eyo ngadho makedo kod kuo mag jamni mabende osebedo mapek.
Tell us how you're going to handle banditry with technology. Are you going to deploy drones? Are you going to get more sophisticated firearms?
We would like the nominee to address the issue of Al-Shabaab. Our schools are being attacked. Our health centers are being attacked.
In most of the, the pastoral areas, like Turkana, Marakwet and all these areas, we have what we call Kenya police reserves that are really helping. Also national police reserves that are helping the society and helping our police force because they understand the situation. They understand the panya routes in the area.
Ne kod lal mag oganda bende ne omi pek e nyim kamitino e dwaro ng'eyo yore mag tieko midhiero ma familia mathoth kaloe.
Could you kindly commit to Kenyans that you will not preside over mushrooming of any of the killer units within the police service.
Is the aspect that we have not been able to bridge the gap between the citizen-centric police and a system-centric police.
Bang kamiti mararita kwe kod chenro mag piny owacho goyo kogno kendo dayo dho Japhet Koome ne lemo mar ogai mar obila. Kamiti no koro loso lipot mabiro chwalo ni od bura mondo goye mbaka. Koome ponono hape oleng'ore nyalo bedo ogai mar obila mar 4 toka piny Kenya noyudo katiba mapachoka. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Parliament Building, Nairobi.